Toyota's Halo sports car, the 2023 GR Supra, delivers enough excitement, style, and drama to make up for the brand's more sedate sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs. Developed and built alongside the BMW Z4 convertible, the GR Supra offers similar build quality and simpler, but still handsome, interior materials inside. The entry-level 255 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder provides ample power, but we can't help but adore the ferocious, optional 382 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter BMW inline-six that makes this two-seater fly. Rear-wheel drive is the only setup, and the GR Supra's sure-footed chassis and sharp steering enable it to come alive on twisty roads and race courses. Toyota, surely spurred by the outcries over the GR Supra's lack of a manual transmission, has added a 6-speed stick to the menu for the 2023 model year. The manual will be available as a no-cost option with the more powerful turbocharged 3.0-liter BMW-sourced inline-six, and will be standard on a new special edition, called the A91 mount model. The A91 mount will be limited to just 500 examples in the US, and will come in either matte white or matte gray paint with a brown and black two-tone interior. Other changes to the GR Supra lineup for 2023 include revised tuning for the suspension and steering systems and the introduction of a new driving mode called Hairpin Plus, which allows additional wheel spin on one of the rear tires to help rotate the GR Supra around ultra-tight, hairpin turns. Prior to 2023, all Supra models came with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. This year, a 6-speed manual is finally available, but only with the optional turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. The most efficient GR Supra is the one with the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which earns EPA ratings of 25 miles per gallon city and 32 highway. The more powerful GR Supra 3.0's ratings are still pretty good at 23 miles per gallon city and 31 highway for the automatic and 19 and 27 miles per gallon for the 3.0 manual. The driver-focused cockpit is tight, and although the double bubble roof provides some additional headroom, the tallest drivers will feel pinched. Cargo space is similarly cramped, but the cargo area, accessed via a hatchback, is roomy enough for a couple of carry-on suitcases or about a week's worth of groceries for two. A digital gauge display, which actually boasts a distinct design compared with a Bimmer, is standard across the range. Navigation and Apple CarPlay capability are both available, but Android Auto isn't offered. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, standard automatic high beams.